what is going to happen on Monday, that is tomorrow. So friends, here first of all friends, we see here the chart of Dow Jones. Dow Jones, you can see, is 678 points down. Now friends, this the US market was down on Friday because there was a news that Johnson & Johnson vaccine has given very poor results in the trial phase. Number one, because what happens is when there will be a shortage of vaccine, the people are likely to be the indoor and the business gets affected. That is number one. And number two is the GameStop and Costco. It has improved very substantially because of the vaccine. Again, the people indoor will be playing the games. However, the authorities there are trying to investigate that if there is anything potentially wrong in increasing the price of these two stocks. And so friends, as far as we are concerned, let us see it from the technical point of view. And if you see the technical point of view, this red candle is a huge candle. It is actually the piercing model. And friends, what I see is that my next target for this could be, say, roughly about, it can come down to this place, that is 29,400 is the next target. And I think if the situation does not improve, eventually the Dow Jones will still have a fall. Then friends, we will see what is the dollar index. Dollar index is at 90.53. It's in a good position. However, the Indian market is little choppy. Therefore, there seems to be some kind of exit of dollars from the Indian market, but it is still in the favor, being less than 93. And then when we check the Nifty VIX, it's in a real bad shape, friends. The market could be really very choppy on the budget day. It could be up, it could be down, because the normal level here is between 14 and 15. So this is actually a negative for us. And let us check now the FII activity. Now for the last 5 days, friends, we are watching here the FII activity also. And that activity I will show you. The foreign investors for the last, say, how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. They have been taking out money from the Indian markets. Now this is quite obvious also, because it happens before the budget every time. So let's hope that after the budget, gradually they will spend, they will start again buying into the Indian markets. Then let's have a crude check. And when it comes to crude, 48 to 52 is the most suitable price for us. And let's see, what this says now. Crude in India is, where is India? Just let me check where is India, because crude in India is, I think somewhere it was around Basra. Yeah, Indian crude is at 54.87. It is not very high, but it is not, at the same time very comfortable. 48 to 52 is the most comfortable price for us. So as far as these four are concerned, Dow Jones is negative, Dow Jones VIX is okay, Nifty VIX is negative, FII is negative, and Brent crude also is negative. So we go now to our stalwarts, that is Reliance, and we check what is happening to Reliance here. And Reliance chart is here, friends. Let's just check on it. Actually, I have started for quite some time. I have started as far as Reliance is concerned. See, it had given a fall here, Hermes pattern it gave here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Reliance, according to me, it will still have a fall unless until some good news comes about it, and it can fall down to 717. Say actually my target here is 1775, to be very honest with you. So it will fall till 1775. After that we will take a view what will happen. So Reliance is not supporting. And friends, when we see HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank also is not very favorable. Here it is going to be a cross here. And if you really see, this RSI is at 32. It is very attractive. So friends, at least one thing I will say that around, say, 1350, if you get 1300, 1370, If you get it, you can always buy it for a target of 1500 in coming weeks, or at least a month's time. I think it will be much more earlier. And then we see our own bank. What will happen to the bank? Just let's check on this. Now banks actually, here it has given the day before, that means on Thursday it was up again. It has given a spinning top, means the people are confused. Now friends, as far as this bank Nifty is concerned, this RSI is 42, which is highly, what I say is attractive, but still I will say it is still negative, because friends, what happens is, till it gives at least 2 days it moves up in the white candle, we should never attempt of buying Nifty under any circumstance. So let us, I will say that it is neutral to negative. And as far as Nifty is concerned, let's check on that also, friends. Nifty actually is completely negative, and the next target of Nifty will be 13,500, followed by 12,862. Friends, if you check, my earlier what I had said about Nifty, it has perfectly fallen in line with that. It has perfectly, there is absolutely no change, because I made a statement, if it falls below 14,200, there is going to be a great fall. And you can see it has already fallen by about, say, 800 points, and it can come down to 13,040, followed by, say, roughly about 13,000. There is a full chance of it, I am not saying, but yes, the result season is still going on. It is going in full swing till about 8th to 10th of February. After that, it will have its natural course, so it can go up. What I am saying is that Nifty can go up. So friends, if we have to just sum up, this total are telling us, Dow is negative, dollar index is negative, Nifty VIX is choppy to negative. It is basically negative. FII is negative. Actually, everything is negative here. So we cannot expect, the share market, Indian share market, to go too much up tomorrow. But yes, whenever there is a cross here like this, you can always take an entry. Friends, what I say is कि जब समय खराब होता है ना, तो कहते एक कहावत है हिंदी के अंदर कि जब समय खराब होता है तो ऊँट पे बैठे हुए आदमी को भी कुत्ता काट लेता है. तो बस अब वही चीज़ है कि हमारे जो अपने क्लूज हैं, इंडियन क्लूज है ना, वो बहुत अच्छे नहीं हैं. क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि हिंदुस्तान में जो अपना फार्मर्स का बजट, जो फार्मर्स का लफड़ा चल रहा है, ये कब तक चलेगा नहीं कह सकते. और कोई भी टीवी चैनल इसको एक्नॉलेज नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन मैं हर चैनल में, हर अपने संडे टॉक में एक्नॉलेज करता हूँ. इट इज़ ए बिग फैक्टर. और यही बात थी कि कल भी जो मार्केट है, फ्राइडे को मार्केट गिरा, और दूसरा डैम्पनर था बजट. तो फ्रेंड्स, हमने जो नेशनल इंटरनेशनल क्रूज देख ली हैं. अब सवाल आता है 2 रेड हॉट स्टॉक्स. फ्रेंड्स, आज तो रेड हॉट स्टॉक्स देने के लिए तो 50 हो गए हैं, लेकिन उनका क्या, जो हमने पहले जिनके बारे में हमने बोला था. तो मेरा आज भी ये मानना है कि जहाँ तक एस्कॉर्ट्स का सवाल है, ये एस्कॉर्ट्स के जो रिजल्ट्स हैं, ये एस्कॉर्ट्स के रिजल्ट आ रहे हैं 2 फरवरी को आ रहे हैं. यू कैन वेट. अगर रिजल्ट इसके अच्छे आएंगे, ये हर हालत ही ऊपर चला जाएगा, और ये 1400 तक जाने के और 1500 तक जाने के इसके फुल चांसेस हैं. उसके फ्रेंड्स, दूसरी बात, हमने एक कॉल दिया था PI इंडस्ट्रीज़ का. इसके रिजल्ट भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त आए हैं. तो बस ये, और इसका जो RSI वो तो 27 हो गया, ऐसे ही बाइंग रेंज में आ गया. तो फ्रेंड्स, अब सवाल ये है कि अब जो है हमको इसके ऊपर जो है बाई पोजीशन दोनों के अंदर रखनी है, और हमको जो है इसी तरीके से चलना है. और दोस्तों, कुछ सम पीपल हैव आस्क्ड मी अबाउट द आरती ड्रग्स. आरती ड्रग्स रिजल्ट्स आर एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. व्हाई टू वरी? नाउ इफ यू आर स्टिल कीपिंग द स्टॉक्स, कीप द स्टॉक्स, बिकॉज इट इज शेयर मार्केट. Sentiment is bad, otherwise it would have already gone up. Now there was a call in the morning from Mr. Moksh, in US. He called me and he was asking me about the strategy. So friends, the strategy, I have told you several times, is that we always remain in the uptrend. This is, you can see the share is in the uptrend here. The share is in the uptrend here. Just let me put it. You can see the share is in the uptrend. That is number one. Then our buying point is this cross. You have seen this. We are buying here. Mr. Moksh, I hope you are checking with me out. And this is actually our selling point, where there is a cross here. And all said and done, This is a cross for sell. This is a cross for buying. So this is our strategy, and we always remain in the uptrend. I must tell you that when the market is flat here, like the market is showing here, it is in the flat market actually we don't work at all. And at the same time, when the market is falling, then only we don't work. So this is the market which is falling, or from the cross it is falling. Here it was going flat and then it is falling. We only work in the uptrend. So friends, that's all which I want to say is, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel immediately and grow your wealth with me every year by about say 150%. Mind you friends, it is the patience and the passion that gives you money always in the share market. If you are not getting 150% of your investment in 1 year's time, friends, that means that you have to reset your strategies. My strategies which I give, they are time tested strategy. You can have your own strategies also, but I have given my strategies and technical and fundamental analysis in the playlist, which you can always get free if you want in Hindi and English both. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.